I'm here at the start line of the Lululemon Seawees. I am with Michelle Davies. She is the Lululemon VP of Global Events and the Athlete Influencer Program. Okay, this event has drawn 10,000 runners from all around the world. It's been deemed the funnest half marathon in the world. Why is that?
Well, we sure think it is. We're so fortunate. It's our 8th year running Seawees. It's our love letter to Vancouver. It's our backyard. We're so proud to show it off to our guests, and we bring our community into it. Local studios. We have cheer stations all the time. They're unexpected, and so people forget they're running a half marathon. It's just so much fun.
Amazing. So, why is it considered one of the ultimate iconic athletic events?
I think it really goes back to Vancouver. I mean, so much of our course is on the seawall, so it's absolutely stunning. You get to run through Chinatown, then you come onto that seawall all the way through Stanley Park. We have yoga on the plaza, so overlooking the North Shore Mountains all day on Friday to really set our runners up for success. And then this afternoon, we have a Sunset Festival where they get to do yoga with 10,000 runners in Stanley Park at Brockton Oval. It just doesn't get much better.
Okay, let's talk performance. As far as some of the elite athletes that are going to be racing today, what are you expecting for results?
Well, Rob Watson, our global run ambassador, he really wants to win this thing, and so I mean we're pulling for him. I think I put my money on him. Let's put it that way.
Okay, wow. And you know what? I'm expecting that 2020 is going to be a very popular year, and it's really hard to get a race entry. What do you suggest to people?
So we actually have started a lottery system to make it easier. The last year that we had it open and didn't have a lottery, it sold out in 28 minutes, and we heard the feedback from our guests that it was just too hard to get to their computer. And so we have a lottery. It's a week long. That way everyone has an opportunity to enter. We have a third party who picks those names, and that's the best way. We also have a virtual half marathon, so on Strava this year, which means the people who couldn't get in, you have a week to run on Strava, log that half marathon. We send you a Seawees medal, we send you the training plan, so we're really trying to open it up as much as we can.
Bucket list for all you active Vancouverites and anyone around the world who has not done the Seawees yet. You need to get in this lottery. It's Stephanie Florian at the start line of the Lululemon Seawees.